Hey, good evening. This is Wilson Lawrence of Wilson Lawrence Coaching here, and I've just really been compelled by someone I've been talking to come on and make a little video about giving your energy away. What I mean by that is sometimes, or actually quite often for some people in life, we get people who are against us, and you may feel that you're being ganged up on, you may feel that you're being bullied, and that leaves you feeling insecure, leaves you feeling helpless. I've been through it myself. So what's the one thing that you think you can do to stop these horrible feelings of being small, being helpless, being belittled, being insignificant, right? The fact is that you're not small, you're not insignificant, okay? And you are not little. I just said that before, didn't I? Right? You're none of those things. But what happens is that when somebody is against you and they are deliberately browbeating you, and you respond emotionally, negatively, physically, negatively, I hope not, right? What you're actually doing is you're playing into their hands and you're giving them your energy. Once you've given them your energy, that's the effect that they want. The residual effect of that is that you feel terrible, lost, hopeless, defenseless, worthless, insecure once again. But there is a way that you can deal with that. So we can all express gratitude. I can't express how important this is, right? Express gratitude. And if those feelings persist, those negative feelings, what you do is you go to the alphabet and you start expressing gratitude for every single letter of the alphabet. Now, this is challenging, okay? So I'm grateful for the air that I breathe, for example, right? B, I'm grateful for the bread that I had today, which was lovely, it was wholesome, and it was healthy. Right? So express gratitude. And when you express gratitude, bring in the emotion, okay, that is associated for that which you are expressing gratitude. And when you're doing this, you'll become so totally engrossed in this that you will notice no other emotion can exist at the same time as when you are expressing gratitude. So remember, even if you're laying in bed at night and you can't sleep, do the alphabet gratitude routine. And I call it a routine because it's a bit like going to a gym. The more you train a muscle, the stronger it becomes. The stronger it becomes, the more effective and efficient it allows you to be. Okay, I do apologize for this t-shirt. It's a bit ropey, it's quite old actually, but I'm just going to go outside and train my body, right? But remember this thing: gratitude, gratitude, gratitude. Write them out, say them aloud, say them in your brain. Somebody's picking on you, right? Remember, don't give a fuck about giving your energy away. What you should be doing is expressing gratitude and protecting how you feel. If that's something that you need help with, drop a comment below, all right? And I can help you with that. Take care. Have a wonderful evening.